Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell. Make sure you do so that you know every time I'm coming in with another video. So let's talk about this recipe. I'm making chorizo and egg enchiladas with Mission's low carb shell. I was so happy to know that they had this because I've been battling with the carbs, and like most of us are, finally they made something that tastes good that we all can enjoy. So let's get into the recipe. Oh, I always put my recipe on the side of the screen like I always do. Let's enjoy. I just wanted to come in and take a second to tell you to scramble the eggs before you put them in. And it is okay if your onion is not fully translucent and cooked, because it will cook more in the oven. Once you have them all assembled in the pan, you want to get a salsa of your choice, maybe verde or picante sauce, whatever you choose to use, your kitchen, your thing. And you just top them and put them in the oven and let them bake for about 15 minutes on 350. And this is what you got, guys. Now you can top these with whatever you want to top them with. You can use salsa, you can use sour cream, you can use guacamole, you can use olives, whatever you choose. It's your kitchen. Again, you can do what you want to do. But for us, this was so good. And every time I come up or think of, or even try anyone else's recipe that's low carb or keto, I feel once again that I have defeated the fat monster. But anyhow, Mark is gonna take a taste, as he always does. And clearly he likes it, so already I know he does. He likes everything. Well, no, that's not all the way true. Anyhow, I hope you enjoy the recipe. Try it, comment, like, share, and subscribe, and tag me if you happen to do this. And my husband just pulled in, so I am getting out of here so I can greet him at the door and talk about another meal tonight. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back.